students, welcome to English class. Today I will tell you about the syllabus of class 9th English 2021. So CBSE has made so many changes this year. So let's move on and see what are the changes. So students, in your 9th class there will be 3 books. First book will be of Beehive, second Moments, and third will be of Words and Expression. These 2 books will be of your literature and Words and Expression will be of workbook. So students, you can see there will be 3 books, and yes, now we will move on the next step in which I will tell you how the marks will be divided in your paper. So move on. So students, you can see in this box there is how the section wise the number is divided. So you can see section A, reading skills, and it will be of 20 marks. Section B, writing skills, it will be of 30, and section C will be of 30 marks. So the number is divided like this. Total will be 80 marks of the paper. So the total number will be 80. So next move on the changes. So students, you can see I am comparing earlier and now. It means the last year paper and the paper that you will face in 2021. I am comparing the both papers. So earlier there was asking article writing, descriptive paragraph, and in descriptive paragraph there was person, place, event, diary entry and all, and diary entry, and the whole question will be of 8 marks. But now with descriptive paragraph and article there will also be added informal letter, and the whole question will be of 10 marks. You can see the 2 marks increases in this year. So what are the changes? 2 marks extended plus informal letter. You will face informal letter also this year. So move on the next change. So students, the next change is last year the questions were based on gap filling and editing. Close passage was not there. It was not there, and the questions was on gap filling. There was 1 question, and editing there was 1 question. It means there was 4 plus 4 8 mark question paper. And now the change is there is also added close passages with gap filling and editing, and there will be only 1 question of 4 mark. It means you will have to write only 1 question of 4 mark. So what are the changes? The changes is the 1 question that will come from close passages, or gap filling, or editing, and what is the profit? You will have to write only 1 question. So move on the next change. So students, the next change is last year the questions was on sentences reordering and sentence transformation, and the questions were of 4 marks. But this year there will be dialogue writing and reporting a dialogue on a given cue in place of sentence reordering and sentence transformation, and the question will be of marks 6. So what is the changes? The changes, there will be only reporting speech and dialogue writing. So the profit is you will get 2 mark extra in this section. So move on the next change. So students, in this section, what is the change? You can see there will be 2 extracts from your textbook with 4 objective. It means 1 objective will be of 1 mark. There will be total 4 marks. There was actually 4 mark questions, but now there will be also 2 extracts, and you will have to do 1 out of 2 with 2 short answer questions. It means there will be 2 questions only, and you will have to write 1 to 2 lines for each question, and the total number will be of 4 marks. So what is the change? The change is in place of 4 objective you need to write only 2 short answer question, and you will get 4 marks. So students, you can see this was your syllabus for class 9th English, and you need to only focus on it and make a strategy to get good marks in your examination. So study hard, and what you will do, you will write this syllabus on your copy, and after this in my next video I will give you the topic of tense, and you will write after this. So thank you.